I know you gonna dig this, dig this, dig this. I know you gonna dig this.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I have with me Alex, who is the owner of the shop here and manages the shop. क्या आप हमें बता सकते हैं कि आपका सेल कैसा रहा है अब तक?
सेल तो अच्छा है यहाँ पे, सब जने आके डेली लेके जा रहा हूँ। ट्रीज, क्रिप सेट्स एंड डेकोरेशन आइटम्स।
और सबसे फास्ट सेलिंग आइटम यहाँ पे क्या है?
और ट्रीज एंड क्रिप सेट्स।
ट्रीज और क्रिप सेट्स। और ट्रीज का रेट क्या है, मतलब सबसे चीपेस्ट ट्री कितने का है और सबसे
400 से 30,000 तक है।
Okay, so he says there are Christmas trees which start at 400 rupees and can even cost 30,000 rupees. तो ये 30,000 का ट्री किसी ने कभी लिया है क्या?
हाँ ले लिया, ताज ग्रुप वाला लिया है।
Okay, so he says the Taj hotels have already purchased the Christmas tree costing 30,000.
Well, we are at Carnations on 18 June Road, and it's a dealer who comes all the way from Hyderabad.
And at his shop, we found a number of things we liked. And the first item we picked up is these two bells which say Merry Christmas, and it's just 250. They're very nice, bright, and you can imagine how they'll reflect in the light. Which brings us to a very important aspect when you want to decorate your house. It's of course your lights, which go into your Christmas tree. And we picked up a very nice set. It's got different variations on it. In fact, it's got combinations of waves, sequential, slow glows, of fades, twinkles and flashes. So we're going to pick up one which is 20 feet, and it's sufficient to cover a tree of maybe of 4 to 5 feet. 4 and 5 feet. Right? So these are our purchases from Carnations on 18 June Road. And let's move to our next location. Road, and we've reached the hugely popular Raves, which I'm sure most Goan people know because they've been here for the last 13 years every Christmas season. And with us today is Manikam, the manager of Raves. So tell us, sir, what is your fastest selling item here?
Everything. When we bought 100%, we'll take back just 10%. We have specially bring very good item, but not lousy. It's a super item only for Goans, especially for Goans. We love to bring good items.
Okay, fine. So it's obvious that since you come here, you've been coming here for 13 years, you do very well here. Tell us, this year, how has business been compared to your previous years?
Every year is good. Every year growth is very good because mainly Goans are very kind and support persons. Once I come down here, they started mood to celebrate Christmas. So I want to thank you especially for Goan and Goa.
Okay, and as you know, this we are doing a special feature where we've taken an amount of money. We're going around shops and seeing what we can buy to decorate a house. Now, if somebody had to come here with a budget of, let's say, 1,000 rupees, what all could they buy from your shop?
Okay, 1,000 rupees. You can get Christmas tree 1,000 rupees, a nice mistletoe and fantastic garland, many items. Start from 100 rupees up to 30,000.
With a budget of 5,000, okay, let's say a middle class house in Goa would have let's say a budget of 5,000. If they came just to your shop and they needed to shop to decorate their house, what all could you give them?
Okay, nice Christmas trees along with clip sets.
I'll stop you there. Tell me the Christmas tree, what size would it be, how?
Christmas tree starting from 4 feet up to 15 feet.
Yeah, so but within our budget of 5,000.
Okay, budget mean 5 feet, 2,200. And other decorations, mistletoe
Okay.
So many items.
Okay,
It's
fine.
all of collection.
Okay, and I see a lot of your items here are in sets. Do you also sell individually, small pieces, snowmen, stuff like that?
Yes.
So how many could we fit within our budget to decorate our Christmas tree, the house?
I think 5,000 is more than enough.
It's more than. We have it from Manikam, who is the manager of Raves, to all you people who have still left your Christmas decoration and shopping for the last minute. Hurry down to 18 June Road. Well, we've already been to 4 different shops and we've spent around 1000, so that leaves us with a budget of just 1000 rupees. And when you really need to shop on a budget, the best place to be is the market. So we're going to head to Panjim Market to finish our Christmas shopping.
Shopping doesn't get interesting unless you enter the real local market, meet hawkers, and of course, have a choice of purchasing decoration at a much less rate.
We've shopped and luckily we have not yet dropped. But I'm really exhausted after shopping for so much of Christmas decoration. And Rowan, how did you enjoy shopping?
Well, it was a pretty tiring experience, but a very enjoyable one. As it's commonly said, there's a child inside each one of us, and I think Christmas is a very special season, and it's the best time of the year to let that childish side come out, so you can enjoy the season.
So for all those of y'all who have not yet finished shopping, there is time left. So hurry to your local stores and get yourself a bunch of decorations which you can keep for next year as well. So do not think it's going to go waste in shopping. And for those of y'all who have already finished shopping or decorating your houses, wish you a Merry Christmas from Rowan and me, and
Compliments of the season in advance.